means their ancestors came here as early as in Ming Dynasty, like about 500 years ago, they came here. This is an old house. This is actually the old house my wife, where my wife grew up for some years with her grandmother. And this section used to be their kitchen. This part used to be their like a veranda, because the school in this village used to be next door. That I will show you. And her old home here, when the school was here, was quite a busy spot. A lot of people gathered around here. The two characters you see here on the pediment are 幸福, which means happiness or felicity. 开能开的是吧？
要开。
也不用了吧？也不用了。
我关了关不上。
Will someone get in trouble not getting the COVID shot if they are simply unable to get to the shot place? Is what, Ronnie? If you are not tested, for example, they will turn your health code from green to yellow, which means there will be accumulated trouble for you ahead. All right? Last time, a few days ago, someone who came back from Hangzhou as a migrant worker for a short break, maybe in his 60s, a man. He told us that in Hangzhou he missed a COVID test. In Hangzhou, by the way, those workers are tested every day, and he missed one. Then what happened was his health code turned yellow, and he got noticed that he after that has to do, after he comes back from this village to Hangzhou, do COVID test 3 times in a row. I mean, just they were created some kind of inconvenience. 3 times in a row. I didn't ask further what that really means, but you don't have to know that much. I mean, it's just the basic idea should be suffice. This is the entrance to a school that used to be here. This building originally was built as an ancestral hall. And the writing here in 5 characters stands for serve the people. A very familiar quote from Chairman Mao among Chinese people. 为人民服务, serve the people, or serve for the people. You can see the building was originally built in feudal time by those brick carvings in the entablature part of the building, 2 floors high. One thing these tours have shown is that no matter where we live or what language we speak, in the end we are all alike. We want the same things: home, family, friends, and we surround ourselves with things and people we love. That's very true. All right, and I'm going to have a look inside for you. They told me there were 5 classrooms here. 2 classrooms in the first floor. And see, there's a stepping stone on the floor. I'm pointing at it. And there were staircases beginning from there, leading up to the 2nd floor. And there were 3 classrooms in the 2nd floor up there. This is the patio. Yes, nice wood carvings. Ancient Chinese people, just like the present-day Chinese people, worked very hard, and and they were even more devoted in creating some of the world's, appreciated brick carvings, wood carvings, and other things like silk, tea, porcelain, all those Chinese treasures. Which province this village is in? Okay, good question. We are in Anhui province. Let me share a picture with you. You know what? Actually, Heygo definitely works here, but it doesn't work perfectly because sometimes there are some glitches. For instance, I want to choose an image to share with you, but I do see those pictures like they are dark frames, but I don't get to see the content of the picture, which means I can kind of only randomly select one. So maybe just do it blindly because I can see. I only see black frames. Just let's see what comes out. Do you see the picture? I just shared a picture. And here's another glitch. I can't see the picture. At this time, it's white. It's totally white. I see nothing. So I'm sorry about that. I can't share, I mean, let's say the story of this picture because, I can't see anything. Very weird. This is the office in this village. And there are a lot of Jaxes in office here. This man, he is my wife's age. They kind of grew up here together. And he is an officer here. 现在就你一个人值班吗？我们先拍一下，看一下。This is the office. Look. Here you can see in Chinese the name of the village and the party service center. The branch committee of the Communist Party of China of Sheshan Changxi Wan'er village. He is the only man now on duty. It looks like there are no other people in the office. They are busier when there is inspection happening from like an administration above the county, town head. When they come, it's quite busy. This is their blackboard. So actually kids in China, in their classroom, do something like this. There are two blackboards in a classroom, one in the front, the other in the back. The one in the front, of course, is for teachers. Well, the one in the back is usually for kids, for students. And what they would do is they will write, they will draw pictures, they will write, Chinese characters, articles on it to like publicize something, And usually teachers will give them like a framework about what you're going to talk about this time, and also give you some suggestion about how you can make the blackboard design more attractive, things like this. And here you can see